Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Malwarebytes on Windows in a very simple way. What you can do, you can simply open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and simply search for Malwarebytes. Click enter, and then you're going to get the Malwarebytes free downloads option over here. You can see, so click on that, then click on free antivirus download, and the download will be pops up. Click on the download. After that, the download will be completed. Now you have to click on the folder icon, click on it 2 times to install, click yes for the permission, and then simply minimize all of your backgrounds. Then here you have to click on install, then click on the personal for me or householder. Just simply check which protection type you want. Next, and click on skip this step, not recommended. And now as you can see, it's installing. As you can see, the installation is successful. The Malwarebytes desktop icon into your home screen, and from here you can simply open it, click on get started. Also you have the subscription key, then you can simply click active now. So I'm going to click on active, get started, maybe later continue with free. And yeah, here is your Malwarebytes. It's rightly opened in your computer. So yeah, this is how we can simply download and install Malwarebytes in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.